going. Okay, hair clip. You want Nana put it in?
Yeah.
I want our hair and our cookie dough. Okay, get Nana's hair lovely out of the way. And today we are making chocolate chip cookies. This is our recipe we're going to be using. Let me get a picture of that. Okay. All right, my helper. We're going to first put that in for us. That is our brown sugar.
Maybe on this side.
Okay, that works. And we have our shortening. So we have 1 3/4 of sugar, brown sugar, and 3/4 of white sugar. Can you get the? Let me get the white sugar out.
Okay.
Right there, and fill up the. Can you fill this one up there?
With this one up.
Yeah, one of those.
Okay.
And we've let our butter soften all day today to get it so it's not hard. Get it as level as you can. Dump that one in. That's very good. Hang on to the cup because we'll need that for the flour. So put that there. Okay. I'm going to do it backwards. We'll turn it on. You got this good? Okay. And dump that in. There you go. Do the scrape?
Yep.
Scrape down the sides, we'll get it in there.
Yep.
My Ella's doing that. Bring this over so we can see what it looks like. And Ella's going around and scraping the whole thing. Get our camera back where we had it. Level. All right.
Okay, scrape these sides.
You're doing fine. Takes a little time.
Oh, in this little place.
Yeah, well, we're kind of messy, and that's why we wear aprons, because we are messy.
Yep, got a little on that.
And that's okay. Oh, you did good.
Got some on me.
That's okay. You will wash. All right, and we will.
Put that down.
That's what you want. Okay, we got 2 eggs.
Okay.
That I have
Dump
cracked.
that in there.
Dump that in there, please.
2 eggs.
2 eggs. Okay, we need the vanilla behind you.
Vanilla.
And we use the vanilla.
Oh, wait here.
And we use real vanilla, and we use butter and not margarine, because margarine tastes like plastic. Okay, can you get one of those full of water too?
One of
Water,
this.
can you get it from the faucet? Oops. Dribbles are good, so if it comes. A little less water pressure maybe. There, like, yeah, get it that way when it dribbles. That'll work. Oops, almost. Okay. And get that one in there. Another teaspoon of that, 1 teaspoon of that, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 eggs. Good job. Put that in the sink. Put that one in the sink. Look at you. Scrape again.
Yep. Oh, got some.
Oh, let's put it there so you can reach it too. That would probably be helpful.
Let's see. Not very much of that.
Not bad. Looks pretty good. It's just sometimes it flats up.
Let's skip.
a little bit on the base beater.
Oh, it's a lot down here.
Yeah, it just kind of gumped up on there. That's okay.
I'm gonna check if
I
I
gotta
can
learn
see
to cook
you.
backwards here.
I'm gonna check again if I can see you.
Okay. See how we're doing?
Yep.
See us still? Okay.
Okay.
Alright, we're gonna need 2 of these.
2 of these. Of this?
With the flour, yes.
So all the way up to the top.
If you can, I would like it level. That's okay, your hands are clean. Okay, there's 1. Let's see.
1.
Add 1 more of those.
Kind of hard.
Okay.
That's a big one.
Alright, and then we need 1 of these. So you put that one in the sink.
Down in the sink.
In the sink down
Okay,
there.
from this.
No, the flour still. We did our sugars done. Now we
Okay,
should
so
have
you
hit
need
that.
a
Put it
little
up.
bit more.
Yeah, that's good. Because we're at a higher elevation, so we need more flour.
Okay.
Okay, and then we want 1 of
Oh, a little messy.
That's okay. That's why we have aprons. Do you want to brush that off in there? Good. Okay, and then 1 of baking soda.
In here?
Yep. Okay, we're gonna crank it back up.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we make a big cloud. Make a big cloud out of it.
Get all those sides.
Yes, get it down 1 more time. Get our extra flour down in there.
Yep.
Alright, would you like to do the honors?
Yep,
1
all
bag
these?
of, yes, 1 12-ounce bag of chocolate
Okay, so I
chips.
guess
Whole
gonna-
thing in there.
all that in
All of
there.
it.
Okay.
Okay, thank
Oh, we
you.
gotta throw this in the
Well, we can't because our chairs, your chairs are
Yeah,
really
so
close.
we have to
Just
put
set it
it
over there aside. This side over there.
back on there.
Yeah, let's put it on the other side of the sink. Okay. That. Here. Would you go get 1 of our baking pans and put that over here so we can see what we're doing?
We have one of these
Yes,
baking
you do.
pans.
That's the best
Right
thing.
here. Pick it up.
'Cause
Where do we put it? Like,
well, let me get
Right
our
here?
stuff just right there in front would be good. You want to set it right out there? Oh, thank you.
there.
Can I put that one in the sink?
Okay, I kind of want to lick it.
Why you want that lick that, or you want to lick the? Do you want a spoonful or both?
Both.
Both. Okay. I'm gonna have. I know we're not supposed to eat the cookie dough, but I've been eating it forever and it's never killed me. That's what some people say. Well, hey. Now we got our little scooper from Walmart.
Mm-hmm.
And we're gonna just put them on the tray like that.
I'm going to check if we can see this.
Okay, can we see it okay, or do we need to tip it down?
Maybe
Does
move
Nana
that
need it?
here?
Okay, move this back a little bit like that. So what do you think? Can you see?
Yeah, they can see
Yeah, I can see it good? Okay, thank you for that. Good observation.
If they can't see it, then
Yeah, we want to see what we're doing.
I think
We can say, this is what it looks like. This is what they look like after they've cooled a little bit in the pan. This is what they look like right when they come out. So we'll let them set for a minute and then I'll put them on the cooling rack and store them in a container